Inspired by nature, the Kia EV9 is taking sustainability to another level, where design experts are consciously choosing to source and use materials that respect the environment that we live in. And it's in the interior that we really see this idea come to life, where everything from the elemental colour choices to the recyclable plastics is helping Kia keep their promise to build a better future. With highly tactile vegan leather used to upholster the seats, recycled plastic water bottles reworked to create the trims, discarded fishnets for the carpets, and even the foam inside the seats, which by the way are incredibly comfortable, is manufactured using natural oils and other natural materials. So as you can see, nature isn't just an inspiration for the Kia EV9, but also an essential resource for Kia to manufacture it. For more information, go to kia.com.
Kia. Movement that inspires.